Number of insolvencies rose by 6% from 2021 to 2023, but a staggering 38% in 2023. Whoa. Most companies actually filed for bankruptcy either in June, November, or December. As we already said, most insolvencies occurred in wholesale, followed by construction and retail. Surprising also, consulting companies filed for insolvency as the fourth industry. There have been 9% less companies founded in Germany in 2023. November -26 and December -51% have been really tough. In total, still around 120,000 new businesses have been registered, mostly consultancies, again, followed by financial services company. Spot number 3 was taken by companies related to real estate. Databyte's outlook, it will get better, and they expect more newly found companies. Good news here.